Saturday morning, we walked over to get our coffee. Still in Glasgow, it's lovely. There's no rain, pleasant temperature. Morning. Betsy hasn't had her coffee yet, so we're waking up. It's very funny because today, the woman who served us our coffee's from Texas. Last night, the fellow who was the maitre d' at the restaurant, his dad's from Texas. And we went to an outdoor store and got help from a woman whose boyfriend lives in Texas. There's a strong connection between Texas and Scotland. So what's the plan for today?
We're gonna do a walking tour this morning and then just relax, probably walk around this afternoon, go out and get something to eat. Not a big plan, but just relaxing, catching our breath after a big travel day.
And enjoying all this very cool architecture.
Glasgow is a very ancient city. It's been here officially since the 6th century, but we know it's even older than that because we know it was here when the Romans marched through, heading north to give somebody a beating somewhere. But of course the city has majorly transformed since then. It started out its life as a small fishing village, and then it became a centre of education and religion. Now it stays like that till the Victorians get here. And once they get here, now they're the ones that really put their stamp in this city, so much so that we've got some of the best Victorian architecture left in the whole of Britain in Glasgow now. And he realises that everything he's digging up has these strange marks in it, studies it, realises what it is, and then he actually uses it in Japan to make sure that it works. Then he brings it back to England, takes it to London, to Scotland Yard, and they just laughed at him. This is in 1880. They slammed the door in his face. And it took the man 5 years of beating in the door before they invited him in for a cup of tea. And it's only because other countries in the world had clocked onto that technology that Scotland Yard eventually decided it's something worth pursuing. Now, the reason it's so dirty is because of the Industrial Revolution. Because in 1136 they don't know it's coming, and they built it out of a porous limestone, sucked in every bit of pollution, and it can never get cleaned because it would just crumble into dust. So as old stones wear away or fall out, new ones are inserted. So get another 1,000 years and we'll be back to the pristine colour it once was.
restaurant in Glasgow called the Citizen Glasgow.
Popular spot for locals.
It's very popular. Betsy has ordered this gorgeous drink. What is it?
Which they made right here.
They made it right here. Tenant lager, and it's beautiful. Look how bubbly. Oh wow, it's bubbly. And I got an alcohol-free Guinness. It's called a Guinness Zero. So let's see how the review is.
Oh, that's delicious and fresh.
We got the mussels.
I don't get mussels in Texas or Colorado, so this is a treat.
And I got steak pie with rustic chips with malt vinegar. So we're pretty excited. We're at the River Clyde at the viewing platform so we can see the river. And this is the Glasgow Green, very nice park. So we just are taking a walk after a lovely lunch at the Citizen Glasgow. It is breezy, but there's blue sky. There's the Apple Store. It is set up inside just like any Apple Store. It's in this gorgeous building. We're staying at a hotel, the Carlton George. That is extremely convenient to everything. Right off Buchanan Street. It is right near the train station at Queen Street. So it's a great location and the people are incredibly nice. And you know you're in Scotland when your bathroom has tartan tiles.